What up, YouTube? This is going to be a little video of holy shit what we're dealing with today. So, firearms go in the family and all of this, and if you know what you're looking at, you do. For those who do not, this is a Heckler and Koch H&K for the cool kids. P7 M8. This is what my dad uses his concealed carry, and for some reason he decided to tuck it in his backpack. And as you can see, oh no, thankfully this is not rust. This is a fucking chocolate bar. So let's turn this over. Don't worry, yes, it's already been cleared, all that good stuff. So mostly on the outside. Yeah. But yes, this is what my project is. Oh, do you mind cleaning my gun for me? And just to really rub it in how stupid and infuriating this can be, is I made sure to go on Gunbroker and show him how much these are worth now. So go look at one of these up and realize that somebody decided to just throw it in a backpack with a fucking Mars bar or Snickers or God knows what, and well, now I'm reduced to cleaning it. I shouldn't say reduced because, well, I rather enjoy this, but this is an interesting story, and sadly, I'm telling this story to YouTube because I can't really come up with any good memes or shit posting because I'd love to throw it on K and torture them, so I probably will actually just send a couple pictures of this on K because it'll be fun. Oh, well, that's my little story, and I'm glad you're enjoying my blog. But I have a lot of cleaning to do, and it'll be one hell of a show.